That's a beautiful 60 bird. We gotta make sure it's a 60. Very straight along the sides. I like it. I like it a lot. The only thing wrong, the top is not down. On a beautiful day like today, it should be down.
Yeah, okay.
Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Dormans Helps car show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, and UKWheelsEvents.com. And you know, while you're there, make sure you post and share your events. We're going to put the top down. Are we, or is it just manual? Let's see. Are you going to put the top down? Are you going to put the top down?
Yes, I am.
Good show. Gotta clear it out with these girls. Is this the power top or manual?
Power.
Cool
Well, you
beans.
know a lot.
A
More
little
than
bit.
I did.
What's interesting here is that you're going to see all the relays and whatnot, which really got it through.
You want to leave one of those here.
Got to empty the trunk in order to lower everything, because unfortunately, so the top does take up quite a bit of room.
There's still a little bit of room left, but
Not much. Not much.
crap. Not when you have junk in your trunk.
Oh, please. We don't have junk in our trunks. Now check out the, you'll see the hydraulics over there for lifting it. I'm surprised you didn't have it today driving in.
I was going to, but I was running late, so I just figured
Yeah.
drive home with the top down.
Okay, very good. I'll let you then. This is a nice treat here. Release the header. Make sure everything's clear. You don't have to start her up?
I just put the key on.
Oh, okay.
I forget. I haven't had the car that long.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me. Yeah, park car.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah, let's try the red line right here.
There we go. Now note the way how that goes up and takes the tonneau with it, the very back. A boot actually in this case. Look at the heavy castings needed over there. Now check out how much it takes up. Oh, that system's not working all the way then.
No, it does. This is manual.
Okay. And you still have the solenoids to release it up there. I'm going to take a quick look at the hydraulics under here. See the pump, just like the convertibles, underneath the whole thing. Nice clean look. It's what, 60? 59, okay. Yeah, definitely the windows should go down. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Dormans Helps car show. Checking out the 59 T-Bird. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, and UKWheelsEvents.com. And while you're there, be sure to add and share your events directly to the calendars. See you at the shows.